I like to keep our jobs in-house, and I didn't really expect to be collaborating with people at mHUB as much as we are. So it's been really fun having those resources available to not have to increase my staff, but to tap into all the creative and hands-on resources here is pretty cool.
One of the things that my company still does with mHUB frequently is work with independent contractors that are here. But it's really more than a facility, it's a community. And it's a community of like-minded people that have a diversity of talents and interests.
Even the mentorship program here is something that I can rely on, or the founders' lunches. So if I have extra questions or something that the community can help me answer because it's a part of my business that I never had to explore before, I feel confident that I can figure that out because I have so much at my fingertips.
At first it was a little intimidating because I didn't know what they were talking about. They were talking about sine waves and whatever else, and when I got to talk to them, they actually began learning from me as well. So I found that a very rewarding situation. So I was very surprised that I could actually offer them something too.
New members would come in and they'd have round tables in our lounges, and so not only did that make them feel welcome, but it actually gave them a lot of information and probably saved them a lot of troubles that they were about to experience whether they realized it or not. So it's a really good way to kind of just engulf yourself in the community and then extract some value right away.
So my initial approach here at mHUB was, I guess, just sitting down and learning things myself. But inevitably I ran into some problems, the wood shop especially, where there's a lot of dangerous equipment. Luckily, there are people around here all the time that are experts in this field, and so they know what you're doing wrong and they can prevent you from making any big mistakes. So it's a lot more manageable to be a member at a place like mHUB versus paying several $1,000s a year and taking up all that space in your house or in a studio or a rented space.
Even though this is no longer an office space for my company, it's much more than that, and the importance of mHUB to our company is greater now than it even was when it was an office space for us.
So over the course of last year, we started with really just frankly a drill press, some basic equipment, up to the full $5 million in equipment we have now, and that has just been, I think, a magnet for bringing people in. But they truly stay for the community. The knowledge from our members and the experiences they go through every day, both the successes and the failures, are tremendously valuable to everyone who's around you.